You only have control over your response. And your response can either make or break the way you move on. It can make or break the way the child moves on, or what happens in the future. So that's why I said take 2 steps back and think about your response. It's all we have. You cannot control what people or kids or colleagues or administrators say to you or at you or about you. You can control, however, the way you take it and the way you digest it. And that's really what we have, and that's control. And that's what I say to all the kids. When kids come out in the hallway, they come running, man, she called me a name, I'm gonna beat her up. And I'm like, response, response, response. And okay, they called you that. What do you really feel about that? How are you going to respond to that? How are you going to take back control? You're going to continue to let them put little strings on you and be a puppet and let people control the way you feel? You can't do that. You've got to control yourself. So response is everything. We've got to keep that in our minds all the time. Keep it in your minds all the time. Response, response, response. Response changes what happens on the other side of the circle. You go into a department store and there's something on sale and they don't have it on the shelf and you really want that and they don't have it and they say, oh, you can only get that online. That drives me crazy. It's like, I came in here to buy it and you tell me I can only get it online. I could flip out on the person, or I could say, okay, what is the fastest way I can get this online? Could you help me through this? If I flip out on them, they're gonna say, well, sorry, that's all I know. I only work here. Or they may make the effort to say, oh, let's look at a computer together. It always depends on how I respond. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.